city is so beautiful.
This trip will be unforgettable.
Come on, let's check in first.
The ocean.
Do you like it?
I want to go to the beach now. Corgi, later we'll run on the sand together.
Remember to always stay close to Mom and Dad.
Yes, Dad.
Let's go downstairs.
Dad! Hurry up!
Slow down, sweetheart.
Don't run too far.
Dad, take a photo of me and Corgi.
Look at Dad, both of you.
Go catch it! You're so good!
Today really is a perfect day.
I hope our family makes many beautiful memories here.
Good job, Corgi! Don't be scared.
The clouds are moving in fast.
I think a storm is coming.
Attention, everyone! A powerful storm is rapidly approaching Miami. Please leave the beach immediately and return to the hotel.
Dad, what's a storm?
It's a very strong storm. We need to get somewhere safe right away.
Let's go.
Please remain calm. Rescue buses will arrive shortly to take everyone to a safe shelter.
Dad, is the storm really that big?
Don't worry. As long as we stay together, we'll be safe.
Everyone, please get ready to board the rescue bus. Stay in line and do not separate from your family. Bring only the essentials. We need to leave immediately.
Hold my hand.
Yes, Dad.
Let's go.
I have to bring Corgi back.
It's too dangerous outside.
The wind is too strong now. No one can go back.
Corgi will be scared.
The storm is about to make landfall. We have to leave now.
Dad! Corgi is still outside.
I promise, once everyone is safe, I'll help the rescue team look for Corgi.
We'll help you find Corgi too.
Corgi won't be left behind. I know you're worried.
I'm scared Corgi won't find shelter.
Corgi is very smart. We'll find him.
We're almost at the shelter. The storm is intensifying very quickly. Everyone must stay inside the shelter until further notice. Hurry! The storm is about to make landfall!
It's okay.
Mom and Dad are right here.
I miss Corgi.
Lily, Once the storm weakens, Sam and I will go outside and look for Corgi.
Really?
I promise.
I miss Corgi so much.
Mom misses Corgi too.
Don't lose hope. Corgi is very smart.
Do you think Corgi is scared like me?
I think out Batham Place, but I believe Corgi is still trying to find a safe place.
Corgi, please stay safe.
How's the situation? The wind is still very strong. We can't go outside yet. I hope the little dog found shelter. The moment the wind weakens, we'll go look for him.
Will you really look for Corgi?
I always keep my promises. It's okay. Our family is safe here. The storm has passed. The roads are much safer now. We can go out and check.
Are you gonna look for Corgi now?
Yes. Stay here with your parents.
Please bring Corgi back to me.
I promise. Let's wait for good news together.
Corgi will come back.
Let's search around here first.
Okay.
David, look.
It's Corgi.
Thank goodness. He's not hurt.
Let's go. Lily is waiting for him.
Dad, why are they taking so long?
They're searching very carefully.
Corgi will come back.
I thought I'd never see you again.
Corgi's back.
Our family is together again.
Thank you both so much.
Corgi was very brave, and so were you.
We'll never be apart again.
The most important thing is that we're all safe.
Our family is together again after the storm.
The roads are safe now. We'll take your family back to the hotel.
Thank you both so much.
Take good care of Corgi. Don't run off again, okay?
Please get on.
Thank you both for helping my family.